Welcome to the Acunote Introduction Screencast. Acunote is an agile project management tool which is simple, easy to use, and nevertheless powerful. Acunote helps you do three major things: manage your work, keep track of your progress, assure the quality of your product. All work you manage with Acunote is organized into small iterations called sprints. The work that doesn't yet belong to any sprint resides in backlog. Let's use the example sprint to get an idea of how the task management looks like in Acunote. The tasks in the sprint are organized into a hierarchy. Each task has a description, owner, status, estimate, and work remaining. What's cool about task management in Acunote is that all task-related operations, such as creation, modification, deletion, and others, are done from the task list page. You don't have to visit a separate page to alter a description, for example. All you need is to edit it in place like this. Everything is instant in Acunote. What's also important is that the entire task list can be entered on single go like you would do on paper or whiteboard. And you don't have to use the mouse because almost every operation has a keyboard shortcut. That's why it's so simple and so fast to add new tasks in Acunote. Work remaining graphs show the sprint progress. Each point in the graph indicates the work remaining for the particular day from sprint start until today. There are individual graphs for each user and the cumulative graph for the team. What's great about Team Graph is that it shows the approximation line to predict the amount of work remaining by the end of the sprint, taking historical sprint data as a basis. This is how you know your sprint will or will not be completed on time. The prediction slider below the work remaining graph will show you the expected delay time and the amount of work that is expected to be not completed. Another great feature of Acunote is the ubiquitous progress reporting. The progress slider shows per user and team progress charts with not started work displayed in red, in progress work in blue, and completed work in green. Similar progress charts are available for tags and for container tasks. Every operation in Acunote is recorded into the timeline, so you always know what was done recently and who did what. Of course, Timeline provides an RSS feed for instant notification of all members of your team. The cool thing about Timeline is that it not only shows events that happen in Acunote, but it can also record external events. First, you can send an email to a special address, and that mail will appear in the timeline as an event. And second, and most importantly, with Timeline you can see changes in your source code repository. And what makes Acunote so cool and so unique is that you can do code reviews for each such change set or email event you see on the timeline. Clicking on it will bring you diff view where you can add comments for each line of the change. And each such comment appears as a task in the current sprint assigned by default to the person who committed the code. So this was a short overview of some of the most cool things you get in Acunote. Easy and fast task management with keyboard shortcuts to save your time. Work remaining graphs and predictions to let you know whether you're going to finish your work on time. Ubiquitous progress reporting so you always know how much you did and how much is still to be done. Timeline to keep the team informed about what's going on in the project. And code review facilities to assure the quality of your product. To get all these things, just go to the sign up page and fill out a few required fields about you and your organization. Once you do that, you'll be automatically redirected to your organization's site and logged into your account. So sign up, use Acunote, and tame the unexpected. Thanks for watching.